part here to make sure that this one didn't sit. There you go. There you go. And here on the top part with coming that bushing and this cup here. See that? That's where the shock absorber on the top. Shock absorber here on the side looks like this, and at the back it should be the new one. Okay, hopefully about to finish this one and have to dress up, freshen up, take a bath, and go to Elmhurst. We have a gig this evening, and I'm so sorry with my senior band members. I'm gonna help them set it up. Group for the Music Engine. I'm proud of that band though. Nice people in there. Nice band members. They have a big heart. Okay, see you later. DJ Tony, PCLXTel.com.